Install. This time it's with Doupor hair on Amazon. I think I said the name right. I'm gonna spell it out at the top here. Doupor, D-O-U-P-O-R. They're on Amazon, and I highly recommend these clip-ins. So let's go ahead and find it. I got it in 16-inch, and I got about 2 or 3 packs. You're gonna need about 2 or 3 packs if you're trying to do your whole head. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair. It's already straightened, so I could go ahead and start. When you do the clip-ins, just make sure you straighten your hair before you install the clip-ins. It makes it a lot easier, especially if you have natural curly hair. So this will be the main part that I leave out. All right, so once you're done parting your hair and getting those leaves out of your way, go ahead and start to part it in the back. Pull up the rest of your hair to get it out the way. Go ahead and detangle if you have to. Also straighten it if you have to, so that way it can blend better with the clip-ins. Now, normally what you do is go ahead and measure out which size that you need, but I already know you need the one with the 2 clips. You go ahead and comb it out. You're also gonna apply a little bit of heat to it. You're gonna press these in so that they pop out like that. They're sticking out. And then you're gonna apply it to your hair. Push the comb in and then press down to lock that clip in place. And then you just move on to the next section. Throughout the process, just make sure you're combing not only the hair that you already put in, but before you put in the clip-ins, just comb it and run the flat iron through it, so that way it's not so difficult. Once you put it in, it's already done and you can just keep moving to the next clip-in. So these are actually pretty quick and pretty easy to install. So the ones that wear like the sew-ins and the quick weaves, safer alternative. You're not pulling out your hair. Just saying. For the final part, you are going to take these out. Make sure you straighten them again if you have to. And you're going to style it the way you want it. Alright, you guys, so I am finally done with the install. I used about 2.5 packs of clip-ins. And as you can see, it blends in very well with my hair. I kind of curled this part so I could flip it back and make it seem like I have layers. If you want to push it back in a ponytail, you can. You can't even see them. Again, the seller is Doupor on Amazon. I will have it tagged so that way you guys will be able to find it.